Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In today's video, we shall be discussing about the National Investigation Agency NIA's crackdown on Popular Front of India. And also we will be discussing about the UAPA Act. Now recently, the National Investigation Agency has carried out massive searches and raids on properties linked to the Popular Front of India under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967. As many as 100 people linked to the PFI have been arrested following searches by NIA across 10 states. If we talk about the reason for crackdown on PFI, the searches are part of a crackdown against those allegedly involved in terror funding, organizing training camps, and radicalizing people to join the organizations that are proscribed. That means condemned by the law. Now, according to central government, there is credible information that office bearers and members of the PFI were collecting funds from India and abroad to committing terrorist acts. Now, let us talk about a brief background of the Popular Front of India. The PFI was created in 2007 through the merger of the following three Muslim organizations in southern India. First one was the National Democratic Front in Kerala. Second, the Karnataka Forum for Dignity. And the third one was Manitha Niti Pasarai in Tamil Nadu. Now, the PFI emerged in the aftermath of the ban on the Students' Islamic Movement of India, which is designed as a terrorist organization under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967. Now, if we talk about the activities undertaken by PFI, PFI has projected itself as an organization that fights for the rights of minorities, Dalits, and marginalized communities. It has itself never contested elections, but PFI has been involved in carrying out social and Islamic religious work amongst the Muslims. In 2009, a political outfit named Social Democratic Party of India evolved out of the PFI with the aim of taking up the political issues of Muslims, Dalits, and other marginalized communities. The PFI has had the most visible presence in Kerala, where it has been repeatedly accused of murder, rioting, intimidation, and having links with the terrorist organizations. Now let us talk about the Unlawful Activities Act 1967. First of all, as we know, it is aimed at prevention of unlawful activities directed against the integrity and sovereignty of the country. Also, this act provides special procedures to deal with terrorist activities, among other things. Now let us talk about the Unlawful Activities Amendment Bill 2019. It amended the Unlawful Activities Act 1967, and apart from the organizations, it additionally empowers the government to designate individuals as terrorists. It additionally empowers the officers of the NIA of the rank of inspector or above to investigate the cases, and also if the investigation is conducted by an officer of the NIA, the approval of the Director General of NIA would be required for the seizure of properties that may be connected with terrorism. Now let us have a brief look on the National Investigation Agency NIA. So first of all, what is NIA? It is the primary counter-terrorist task force of India. If we talk about its background, the agency came into existence with the enactment of the National Investigation Agency Act 2008 by the Parliament of India on 31st of December in the same year. And this was passed after the deadly 26/11 terrorist attacks in Mumbai. Further on, the agency is empowered to deal with the investigation of terror-related crimes across the states without special permission from the states under written proclamation from the Ministry of Home Affairs. It is headquartered in New Delhi and has branches in Hyderabad, Guwahati, Kochi, Lucknow, Mumbai, Kolkata, Raipur, Jammu, Chandigarh, Ranchi, Chennai, and Imphal. Now let us talk about some of the features of NIA Amendment Act 2019. First of all, it amended the National Investigation Agency Act 2008, and the Amendment Act empowered the agency to investigate offences committed outside India, subject to international treaties and domestic laws of other countries. Moreover, the amendment has allowed the NIA to investigate cases related to human trafficking, counterfeit currency or banknotes, manufacture or sale of prohibited arms, cyber terrorism, and offences under the Explosive Substances Act 1908. It also allowed the central government to designate Sessions Court as special courts for the trial of scheduled offences under this act. So this was a little bit about the topic. Now let us take up one practice question on this topic. Consider the following statements regarding the NIA Amendment Act 2019. First, it empowered the National Investigation Agency to investigate offences committed outside India. Second, the amendment has also allowed the NIA to investigate cases related to human trafficking and cyber terrorism. Which of the statements given above are correct? You can take a moment and write your answers in the comment section below. So as we know, both the statements are correct with respect to NIA. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. And with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. For regular updates, you can follow us on our social media handles. And to study these topics in depth, you can also check out the daily current affairs section on our website. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the next IAS YouTube channel.